Hello friends, and welcome to Anka classes. The trigonometry gave what problem Momo discussed ours. Okay, so question in IGNC. The string of a kite is 100 meter long and it makes an angle 60 degree with the horizontal. Find the height of the kite assuming that there is no slack in the string. Okay, so question in IG Tilanka. Okay, the string Tilanka gilang de. 100 meters hangi. Okay, aduga Tilanka langina 60 degree inclination the horizontal ga. Haibidi laibak natra adudi karigumba aikoina Tilanka gi string ni sumai lokchallaba natra Tilanka jina sai da pahellaba yantare ko adu eta di Tilanka gi string ji mana 100 meter sangi hai aduga laibak ka natra horizontal ga 60 degree da lay. Okay, yantare ko assuming that there is no slack adige no Tilanka gi string kon de maina kolak de chumna tingaga lay adu oita di Tilanka ji kayam wang na pai ge height chi puthoro u. Okay, yantare ni ko now adu oita di koina right angle triangle ama yes. Okay, right angle triangle is the koina darkar tariba pochi is ko so is the Tilanka ji lehelasi natra aduga B and C lower C is na Tilanka pa middle position in lower. Okay, adu man piram yu matung ina AC is na kya tare 100 meter natra adu angle ACB is na 60 degree. Okay, adu ita di is the piram ji onko solution horizontal. So let A be the position of the kite. Tilanka ji position ji A ne lower se natra adu ita ji matung dai de koi de kai kai la we have natra length of the string. Tilanka gi lang string ji gi length kya no koina AC ni ta natra so we have AC is equal to 100 meter. Okay, now angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. Angle B or angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Now say that theta is height is nothing but perpendicular natra aduga piram nizina hypotenuse. Okay, adu ita di perpendicular ka hypotenuse ka yauba trigonometric ratio di kaino sin theta. Okay, so we will use the trigonometric ratio sin theta. Now in right triangle A B C and sin of 60 degree sin 60 degree is kya perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Natra adu ita di AB is equal to AC sin 60 degree. Yantare ko now AC je kya tara hamara piram mein 100 sin of 60 degree natra 0 1 2 3 4 0 30 45 60 natra so we have sin 60 is root 3 by 2 natra kya tara 50 root 3. Okay, so therefore the required height of the kite natra kaitare AB is equal to 50 root 3 meter. Okay, so this is how we will tackle this question. Yamla have a question ni trigonometric ratio ji karam darkar ta ni yeng thokpi ba natra triangle ma yekpi ba aduga value si substitute. Okay, so thank you for joining Anka classes. We'll meet again.